The Tesla Model Y is finally here. This video is a recap of the Model Y unveiling event. Let's get right into the video. The Tesla Model Y is part of Tesla's more affordable lineup of cars. But starting at $39,000, the Model Y still isn't the most cost-effective for everyone. In my opinion, I really like the design. The exterior resembles a Model 3 in many ways. The headlights have the same familiar design as the 3. The doors are also normal doors, unlike the Falcon Wing doors on the Model X. I think that was a good decision to keep production problems to a minimum. The back of the Model Y looks very similar to the 3, except for this. Model Y has a hatchback. That gives you a lot more room and versatility than the 3. In total, you have 66 cubic feet of cargo space in the back. As for the interior, it looks identical to the Model 3. You have the same one-screen design with a clean and minimal interior, without tons of buttons. I've always liked the design on the 3, and I'm glad that it came to the Model Y. What is different though, is that you're riding higher up than the 3, but not as high as the Model X. Just like the Model X, there's a 7-seat interior option. It comes standard with 5 seats, however. Everything that you'd come to expect from a Tesla is available here. Autopilot is here, full self-driving, and 5 colors for the exterior. Otherwise, the ordering process looks the same as other Teslas. In my opinion though, the Model Y seems like a bigger Model 3, but the back of the car does look like it was raised higher up. Tesla went for keeping production as simple as possible, and that is why there's no Falcon Wing doors. It all comes down though to the price. The standard range Model Y starts at only $39,000, and the Y goes up to $60,000 for the performance. For what it's worth, the Model Y seems like it could be the next crossover SUV for some people, along with great performance you'd get out of any Tesla. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, which helps it share this video with other people. As always, I'll see you next time on Tech Device News.